Hello, body fangs, walk to the bush. Guys, have you ever gone on a hiking trip video or a touring club with people from other countries in the middle of a bush there to go look at the wild and dangerous animals? Bloody amazing. But you always get that one knoffel, okay, that stands out soos 'n paisie op 'n girlfriend se bout. And they do this. Herman, ons het die ontbyt geëet het vanoggend nie. Nou is dit 'n moontlikheid dat ons hand in die bos indruk en hy die klein sappige klein vrug vat en in ons mond indruk en dit eet om die pens vol te maak. Nee, chom. You can't go in the middle of a bushes over there. Just pick a bessie over there and druk dit in jou mond and you're going to be okay. Jy gaan vrek. As jy iets wil indruk, druk eerder iets in jou gat as in jou keel, okay? Of vra vir jou ouma to make you some sandwiches, some snackwitches, and some watertjies to take to the bushes over there. For instance, can you see this bessie over here? Nee. This is what we call the Rondilius pupericcius omploffius. Now, you can't go and take one of these bessies here and stick it in your mouth there and chew it and jy gaan spuitpoep kry. Okay, deur die oog van 'n naald and if there's a fan close by, everyone's going to have freckles. So don't go and druk this in your mouth, okay? Vra eerder vir ouma vir 'n beskuitjie of iets. Okay, thanks.